Hi, y'all. It's Beth here again. I realize that it is week 6, but I am opening up week 7 as well and giving you a preview for it because week 6 with your proposal for your paper and week 7 with your beginning research kind of work together. I'd like you to start thinking about your research in week 6, so I'm letting you see what lies ahead. You'll notice here I might add some more things in the next week. But I've given you lots of information about how actually to format your research. We will talk also about how to find the right sources, of course, and how to evaluate them. But I'm also looking at format here. We've been working since the beginning of the term and getting the correct MLA format, but now it's becoming even more important. Activities, no form this week, but I want you to spend the time doing your research. By the end of this week, week 7, you should have finished most of your research. You might find some other things. You might get rid of some things. This is a draft, remember. This is not your final works cited page. This is just to give me an idea that you are doing research. You have found some credible sources, and you know how to format it. Once we get this done during week 7, you will be fine for working on your rough draft, which will be due week 8. All for now. Let me know if I can help.